Welcome to the port of Las Palmas, also known as Puerto de Las Palmas. This port is a major Atlantic maritime hub, servicing cargo, container ships, cruise liners, and naval vessels. It also has plans to construct the largest cruise terminal in Europe, reinforcing its strategic importance for tourism and commerce. The cruise terminal is a popular turnaround base for cruises to the Caribbean, Africa, and Europe and can berth 3 large vessels. It is also located right in the city center. You can easily explore several popular tourist spots on foot. The walkway is also handicapped friendly. As we disembark from our ship, there are directional signs that directs passengers to the city center. The Las Palmas cruise port is very close to the city center. It is a short walk which takes around 20 minutes. Public washrooms are available too. The area surrounding the port is lively and walkable, with several notable attractions. There are several directional signages directing visitors to the various points of interest and attractions. Besides the port is the El Muelle, a commercial center with large stores, shops, restaurants, and boutiques. Regional buses leave from the bus station right in front of the terminal. There are also plenty of taxis here. The skyline, modern buildings, and infrastructure shows that Las Palmas is a bustling city with both residential and commercial areas. The round tower seen is the AC Hotel Gran Canaria, a landmark building and hotel near the port. The reddish stone sculpture is the Monument to the Fallen, designed by sculptor Manolo Bethencourt. It was erected to honor those who died during the Spanish Civil War, although it has also become a broader symbol for memory and reflection over time. Here's some insight about the statues and their symbolism. The figures represent grief, struggle, and remembrance. You can see a mother carrying a child, a seated grieving woman, and laboring men, expressing the human cost of conflict. The stone used gives a volcanic tone, referencing the island's geological roots. We walk towards the north of the city to Playa de Las Canteras. Situated on the northwest coast of Las Palmas, this is one of the most iconic urban beaches in Spain, often called the jewel in the crown of the Canary Islands. It is an urban beach with 3 kilometers stretch of golden sand protected by a natural reef known as La Barra, a fossilized limestone reef more than 100,000 years old. The scenic promenade has a good local vibe too, with restaurants offering a variety of cuisine.